Hello and welcome to Eggerton&ME.
Eggerton, parsley. Eggerton, parsley. Oh, parsley. History. It's Eggerton. And me. We're cooking now.
On today's episode, I thought it would be a brilliant idea to teach my kids how to make homemade mayonnaise. Did you like it? But I thought that they should do it the classic culinary way of hand whipping it. So wrong, silly mommy. That didn't work so well. Here's some of our outtakes.
The bloopers, the mistakes that we made, it's the bloopers. All the mistakes we made. Ooh.
We decided to give you a much better approach of using an immersion blender. Mayonnaise easier. Kids happy, mommy not crazy. Lila, did mommy make a mistake before?
Yeah.
And mommy cried? Did you like it? Did mommy cried? Why you laughing, mommy? So, for today's episode 3, you'll be making homemade mayonnaise. Starting with the science of mayo.
Immersion, emulsion. We're using an immersion blender to make an emulsion of mayo. Emulsions are a mix of two liquids that don't usually mix, like oil and water. Add a yolk, that's the emulsifier. Immersion blender, emulsion of mayo. Break it down, Eggerton. The immersion blender helps you whip up the fat to suspend it and make mayo, and that's a tasty fact.
Good morning. Welcome to Eggerton's Classic Culinary School. Today we are learning how to make mayonnaise with Chef Eggerton.
Can you help me dump it? Whole egg. This is a jar. It could be a mason jar, but it's just big enough that you can put an immersion blender inside, okay? Here's all our Dijon. And Lila's gonna add our vinegar. Okay, go Lila, add our vinegar. All in the bowl, You did it! Good. Now this bowl is bigger than our immersion blender. Wait, so Lila, wait. So we go in. So that's egg. And we're gonna slowly drip in our oil as we're blending. Do you wanna blend for me, Lila, and I'll drip oil?
So the cool thing about the immersion blender is kiddies can do it themselves.
Our lemon juice.
Now you can see, nice and thick. Little thinner than store-bought, but much tastier. What do we use mayonnaise for? Dips, dressings, hard-boiled eggs, egg salad, potato salad, so many choices. Mwah!
Stay tuned to learn how to make your homemade mayonnaise into Caesar salad. Nom 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 nom.